G'day guys, welcome to another Mark Makes Tricks of the Trade video. Today I've got a bunch of GoPro mounts. I'm going to be putting them on some different tools that I've got and also a few different spots in the shed to show you guys what I think is going to create the best angles for filming. So here's a bunch of the mounts. You can buy a whole lot on eBay for really cheap. One of them I've put on my planer here. Here's a clip of that in action. And the other one is just up here. And that'll be a good angle for this area here. So I thought it'd be really cool to have one on my drill and tech gun. So I'm just going to try and find the best spot for that. Just looking at my options here, I think the best chance I'm going to have is probably on the side right here. Not sure if these sticky pads are going to cut it, so I might need to look at gluing it as well, but we'll give that one a go, see how it comes up. It is pretty good. I'm just going to use some araldite to strengthen it up a little bit more. Okay, so that one's done. And I've also put one on my circular saw and this tech gun. I have put some glue on these three, so we're just going to let them dry for a little bit, and while we're doing that we'll go to the other side of the workshop and work on this fold down top view camera. So I've just got the rough timber at the moment, but I'm thinking about putting a hinge here and then a hinge at the bottom that'll sit up here like this. It comes down like that and that just hangs, and then depending on the height of this depends on how low or high I have the GoPro sitting at the end of it. Alright, it's coming together pretty nicely. Put the mount on here. That's hinged in two spots. So I've just got to put it up here now. So I've just finished this fold down GoPro mount. So I unlatch it there. That folds down like that. So this hangs free. I've got the mounts sitting on a slight angle to compensate how this piece sits. Got this little clip here and a bit of string so I can adjust the height that I want. So let's say I want to go about here. Grab the GoPro and that just slips in there, and it's going to give me a straight down view of when I'm working. So now that I've got the GoPro set up and all the mounts that I've put on the different tools are dry, I can show you all the different angles with the GoPro. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, and all the best with your future projects.